Did you know that agriculture is one of the most important economic sectors in Europe? Almost 50% of all agricultural production is provided by livestock farming. The European Union is one of the world's leading producers of products from this sector. Yet, do we know the possible environmental problems derived from their breeding? The large volume of manure generated is one of the aspects that most concerns public opinion, as it affects pollution and therefore people's health. Manure has a high potential as organic fertilizer in agriculture. However, the major intensification that livestock farming has undergone in the last few decades has generated large amounts of manure located in very specific areas, making it difficult to manage. This unbalance, combined with bad management of the manure, may cause environmental problems such as groundwater nitrate contamination, eutrophication of surface waters, accumulation of metals and phosphorus in soils, spreading of pathogens, not to mention the public's dislike of its use because of the bad smell, or the emissions of ammonia and greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. With the aim of contributing to this solution, the LIFE MAMEV project emerged within the framework of the European LIFE programme. The project has the participation of 8 partners coming from European regions with a major livestock production, coordinated by the public company Sarga, attached to the Department of Rural Development and Sustainability of the Government of Aragon. The purpose of this project is to improve the protection of the environment and the sustainability of livestock farming. In what way? Fostering the use of treatment technologies in areas with high livestock density. To be able to evaluate and compare the different manure treatment plants and management systems, it was necessary to create a protocol that unified the criteria and parameters to follow. And which scenario is considered? From the external storage of the manure at the farm to its application on the field or its export to other areas, including the treatment system applied. Subsequently, the studies on treatment technologies carried out in the different European regions were collected. Our research didn't reveal any study on treatment plants evaluated from a global point of view. 13 plants that are currently in operation have been evaluated within the LIFE MAMEV project following the common protocol. This evaluation helps us to better understand the performance of each technology and their different possible impacts. And what is the final outcome of what we have done in the project? With all this information, we have developed the MANEV tool, which has the aim of supporting decision-making when implementing the best manure management system in a specific area, adapted to its needs at European level. MANEV is intended to be used by all the agents involved in the management of manure. Livestock breeders concerned about complying with the current legislation, reducing management costs. Farmers interested in obtaining a quality organic fertilizer. The local and regional administrations that work on protecting the environment, health and safety and sustainability of the agriculture and livestock sector. And the engineering companies that are focused on developing and marketing treatment technologies. The tool identifies the calculation variables to be used from the data inserted by the user. Once the management system to be evaluated has been defined, the simulation takes place. A detailed report collects the approximate results that enable us to compare the different alternatives. The tool includes more than 20 treatment technologies currently available on the market. We have divided the technologies into 4 groups according to their main objectives. The treatments that facilitate handling the manure are separation technologies. Manure is divided into a liquid and solid fraction to facilitate the transport of the nutrients and its application on the field as organic fertilizer. It is also used as a step prior to other subsequent more complex treatments. There are different separation systems according to their efficiency, energy consumption and investment and maintenance costs. Choosing one or another will depend upon the use intended for the liquid and solid fraction after the separation. By means of recovery treatments, a final product is obtained from manure with an added value in the market. One of them is composting. a biological process in which the organic matter is stabilized and degrades into carbon dioxide and water in an aerated medium. The purpose? A stable organic and quality fertilizer for its agronomic recovery. On the other hand, biogas is obtained in the anaerobic digestion, with the decomposition of the organic matter of the manure in the absence of oxygen. The methane of this biogas is used to produce heat and electric energy in cogeneration engines. In nutrient removal treatments, part of the nitrogen contained in the liquid fraction of the manure is eliminated to reduce the nutrients load in the area. Through aeration and anoxia cycles, the ammoniac or nitrogen is transformed into nitrogen gas that is naturally found in the air. Nutrient concentration treatments capture the nitrogen of the liquid fraction of manure and concentrate it by means of a chemical process, turning it into a fertilizer of great value and easy to transport. The MANEV tool also includes other treatments available for the user. Acidification, which adds an acid product to the manure that reduces the emissions of gases into the atmosphere. Evaporation and thermal drying reduces the volume of manure to subsequently be managed with a thermal treatment. To treat effluents that have already been treated, there are treatments such as phytodepuration and reverse osmosis. Manure or the products resulting from these treatments may be agriculturally recovered when applying them on the fields. The MANEV tool is permanently evolving, open to incorporate new treatment technologies, improve the existing ones, or eliminate those which are outdated. This project unites the knowledge about the existing treatment technologies and the evaluation criteria for environmental protection and the sustainability of livestock production in Europe. An evaluation tool common to the different technologies, which is beneficial for the agro-livestock sector and the local and regional government.